essentially have an AI SDR that's much cheaper than having to hire a full-time resource for it.
I guess what are some of the biggest barriers for SMBs and smaller teams that are trying to bring in AI into the organization, and how does GPT Trainer address them? Anything else you'd like to address there for SMBs that might be on the fence about adopting AI?
So I would say GPT Trainer is designed to be extremely versatile, right? So the versatility means there's a lot of use cases that I haven't covered here that people are already using. So if you're looking to do lead generation, lead qualification, marketing content production, all of these things can be done within GPT Trainer. And if you connect to Make.com, Zapier, and you could even do automated email alerts, or even run a campaign to do outbound hyper-personalized newsletter, for example. You can even write a new newsletter for every user in your list. With the AI voice project nearing its rollout, I'd say it opens up a brand new dimension of what GPT Trainer can do. So the AI voice would enable use cases like just direct automation of inbound calls for support. And if necessary, we can do human escalation, right? Depending on certain triggers, intent-based monitoring for triggers that says, I need to talk to a human agent, then the call can be forwarded to a human. For outbound, we have background agents that's constantly monitoring the transcript, which gets populated as the conversation goes on. We can extract data in real time from these transcripts, right? Even while the call's going on. And then depending on what data is extracted, we can forward it to a CRM and populate that directly. And then if you do real outbound, as I mentioned earlier, right, you can set up number lists, number sets that if you upload like 1,000 different phone numbers you want to call, then the number set that you use is going to essentially rotate the numbers for compliance purposes to reach out to each of those 1,000 users, right? So you essentially have an AI SDR that's much cheaper than having to hire a full-time resource for it. It will sound no different from a real human.